Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to change your password user account in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Open up the start menu and select this icon and type in this line change account settings, or click on profile and select your account info and hit enter. Go to sync in options and select password. Click on change and log in with your user account. Type your actual password, click on next and select a new password. Confirm. And this option is variety or optional. I type A for example, and click on next. Click on next and change your password. Next time you sync users, use your new password. In this case, or for this tutorial, I select Alice, my local account, and click on finish. Select logout or sync out, and you can try your new password and hit enter. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.